Hi friends, Teacher Jen here. It's time for another science experiment, and this one I'm very excited about. It's called making moon sand. This is a fun science activity as well as sensory because you get to play with the moon sand and build anything you want like you're at the beach. As always, I'm going to start talking about our materials. You're going to need a measuring cup. You can use one like this or smaller cups like this. I have 1 cup and 1/2 cup. You're going to need a bowl to mix it in, a pretty big bowl. I'm using a tray so my table doesn't get all dirty and it's easier to clean up. You need some canola oil or vegetable oil or any kind of cooking oil that you have in your house. I got this in Key Food. You're gonna need some flour, and you're gonna need some food coloring. 1 color is fine. If you wanna make more colors, you're more than welcome to. Teacher Jen is also gonna use plastic gloves because she has an allergy to flour, and I don't want it seeping in on my skin, so I'm gonna use gloves so it doesn't get on my skin, but you don't really have to. First, we're gonna start by putting 5 cups of flour into our bowl. So this is my cup. I'm going to scoop up my flour and then put it into my bowl like this. One, two, three, 4, 5. We have 5 cups of flour. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of vegetable oil into our flour. This reminds me a little bit about baking a cake with my mom when I was younger. But this isn't a cake, so you should not eat it. I'm going to mix our vegetable oil with our flour really good with my hands. Next, we're going to choose one of our colors of food coloring to make our moon sand. I'm going to use green. Next, I'm going to add a few drops of my green food coloring. Now I'm going to knead the flour with the food coloring and squeeze it and really make the color spread out. My food coloring didn't spread out. Did yours? It's okay. We can still play with our moon sand. You can use cookie cutters, plastic knives, plastic spoons, and do whatever you want with your moon sand or build whatever you want. As always, please send me pictures, and I hope you enjoy playing with your moon sand.